Hi Bulldogs, my name is Kaya and today I'm going to be showing you sustainable crafts to spook up your living space for Halloween. For this craft we'll be making a spider web, so what you'll need is a ball of yarn or string, some scotch tape, a pair of scissors, and a window or wall. First, get a piece of yarn that will fit your window or wall. Cut that piece out and then attach tape to one end of that piece and stick it to the wall. Then put tape on the other end of your string of yarn and put it on the other part of the wall so it's diagonal, just like this. Grab your ball of yarn and measure out another piece of yarn. Keep taping cut pieces of yarn and placing them on your wall or window so that they cross and start to look like a spider web. Next, cut off a small piece of yarn and wrap it around the center of your web so that all the pieces are tied together. Now cut off a long piece of yarn that you'll be able to weave through the other pieces. Tie it close to the center of your web and start wrapping it around the other pieces, slowly working your way out. Don't worry if it looks messy, you can adjust the pieces once you're done. Once you've made your web the size you want it, you can tie up your piece of yarn to one of the web strands. Congratulations, that wraps up our spider web craft. Now you're one step closer to a spooktacular Halloween.
Me and my ghost friend want to remind you that you can also shop at secondhand stores like Savers or antique stores. And that's where I got this shirt and where I got this ghost. But you can also shop through Craigslist and Facebook Marketplace as well. So buying secondhand can be really sustainable as well since it's already in existence. And it's cool also. Look at that guy. Who doesn't love a good ghost? Come on. It's Halloween.
Bulldogs, it's Traeger here. Today I'm going to show you how to turn empty milk jugs into jack-o'-lanterns. First, find an empty milk jug and rinse it out. You should always rinse out your milk jug before recycling. Once your milk jug has had time to dry, next, decorate it. You can do this any way you want. Next, flip your jug over and cut a small hole in the back using a scissors. Jack-o'-lantern is now ready, so light it up. LED string lights work best, but be creative. Any light source will work. Once Halloween is over, don't forget to recycle your clean milk jug.